I'm selling my PVC pipe to customers, and today I will go to the actual site and check the installations. Here we have the store for our PVC pipings. Okay, so let's go to see the PVC pipe installation. This is the clean outs. The dimension is 150 millimeters, the big size. Okay, so let's go and see the actual installation at the site. This project it has 10 floors, but now my customer they install it around 4 floors, and this is the third floor. So the main pipe is not yet installed, and now we are going to the level 2. Level 2 they also is not yet installed for the mains pipings. It is very important that we are having to use the good PVC piping for the drain system for our home, our residence. Yes, here is the branch pipe and the main pipe of the drainage. My PVC, my customer they bought it to install for the wash piping and the soil piping for the service of their residence. As the end of the piping, you can use the clean out for the service maintenance, for if having any stacking, or you can remove it by remove the clean outs here. We also install cell outs for the trap. We have a lot like P trap and S trap. This is the very good quality of piping for SCG's piping. The project they are select a good brand from Thailand's pipes. Okay, let's go around and see the installations.